On this occasion I will share a bit of information about the history of Microsoft SQL Server. In 1998, Microsoft released the first version of SQL Server. At that time, the SQL Server platform is designed for OS 2 and developed jointly between Microsoft and Sybase. History of Microsoft SQL Server. In the early 1990s, Microsoft started to make a new version of SQL Server for the NT platform. During the development process, Microsoft decided that Microsoft SQL Server is a powerful must-be integrated with the NT operating. Finally, in 1993, Windows NT 3.1 and SQL Server 4.2 for NT released by Microsoft. Microsoft targets to do a combination of high-performance database servers as well as ease of use and administration is achieved through the SQL Server. Microsoft continued to successfully market the SQL Server database and become quite popular at that time. In 1994, Microsoft and Sybase formally ended his cooperation. Later in 1995, Microsoft released the SQL Server version 6.0. This version is the version that is most important because it is largely the result rewrite and redesign is the result of the previous engine technology. Version 6.0 offers improvements in performance, built-in reapplication, and centralized administration. In 1996, Microsoft released SQL Server 6.5. In 1998, Microsoft released SQL Server version 7.0. Again, its database technology again rewritten to make it more optimal. Finally, in 2000, issued Microsoft SQL Server 2000, which is the most widely used version. SQL Server 2000 version of the existing framework based on the previous 7.0 version, while the most recent version of the current end is SQL Server 2008, with the addition of a variety of features that can allow the user to create a database or table that will be designed. That is the information I can share on this occasion. Hopefully the history of Microsoft SQL Server can add to our knowledge. So many of me. See you in the next article in this PHP programming language blog.